How to link payment on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to connect payment method or link payment method to your Squarespace website so you can receive money or sell things like you have on the Square store and etc. So we are going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account and head over the account dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to head over the dashboard and basically we're going to head over the website, click on go to website, and we're going to wait for a few seconds until it is going to be showing up the website as it is. Now what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We are going to head over the left side of the screen. We're going to click on the settings. Now for the settings, we're going to click on selling. From the settings, we're going to head over the payments. And this is how simple it is to head over the payment methods or the adding payment method process. As you can see, we have the online, we have the point of sale. Also, we can have some offline if added to the website. So the online is going to be consisting of, depending of course on the region that you have, we have Stripe, PayPal, and we have the point of sale, which is going to be related to the United States only, Square. So we're going to maybe connect the PayPal account of ours by clicking on PayPal. Then we're going to click on the connecting process. As you can see, we are on the trial of the Squarespace website plan. So we need to upgrade to a paid plan to be able to accept payments. For Stripe, it is going to be also the same, but you're going to be able to connect it, but you can go ahead and have some difficulties receiving payments. Instead, you need to connect or upgrade to a paid plan to get that. You're going to click on connect. For either PayPal or Stripe, it is going to be very simple. Connect your account, and also on Square, you're going to head over here and connect your Square account by clicking on connect, and here you go. So that was pretty much it for today's video. When you finish setting up the payment methods, do not forget to take a look to your products. Head over here, add your products by clicking on add product, add physical, digital products, downloads, gift cards, services, whatever products that you are going to sell, and then you're going to get the thing right away. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.